I'm Nicole Brown. I study at East Sussex College. I'm doing fine art, graphics and photography A-levels. So far I've learned lots of things. I've learned how to do screen printing, I've learned how to use a darkroom, Photoshop. I've also learned new techniques in painting and sketching. The facilities here are really good. We've got a screen printing room which is massive, has lots of equipment in. We've also got a dark room which we get to use quite often, and lots of Macs that have lots of good software on. So far I've been on 2 trips. We went to the Tate Modern quite recently to look at other people's work and relate it to our work. Some of the best things about this college is all the facilities they have. Literally have everything you could ask for. And they have a nice area you can hang out. So there's the atrium downstairs. There's just loads of tables, there's table tennis, and there's a really nice cafeteria as well. So I chose to come here instead of stay at my local school because they offer more subjects here that I wanted to do, and they had more equipment and just lots more staff with experience than my school, which only offered one art course, which was fine art. After this year, I'm planning to go to Canterbury University to do a foundation year, and I'll really just experiment with what I want to do in the future. I think college has helped me a lot with how to present my work and how to develop it all. I also think it's going to help me in a foundation year, as I've done lots of experimenting with different mediums, so I know quite a lot of things that I can do now in the foundation course.